Hello, everyone. Welcome to Voices of Sample Management. I'm Ruth Petersen, and I'm here with Toby Winchester. We thought this would be an excellent way to bring together experts in the life sciences sample management space to share lessons learned, tips and tricks, and generally all things sample management. Toby and I first started collaborating on the acoustic tube project that started out between AstraZeneca, LabSite, Brooks, and Titian Software. An acquisition and a rebrand later, it's now AstraZeneca, Beckman Life Sciences, Azenta, and Titian. But that's a story for another day. To get us started, Toby, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hi, yeah. So Toby Winchester. I previously worked at Pfizer as a sample manager, and while there, we started using a software system by a company called Titian, which eventually evolved into Mosaic. And after a shutdown of the Pfizer sandwich plant, I moved to work for Titian. So I've been here now 12 years, and since then have been working on multiple projects and seeing multiple partner vendors and just trying to make sample management better for everybody.
Thank you, Toby. I personally have held a variety of roles from engineering to applications to leadership for companies like Biosero, LabSite, Beckman, Bionex, Agilent, Velocity 11, and Aurora Biosciences. And if that doesn't date me, I don't know what does.
I remember using a Velocity 11 system at Pfizer as well. So yes.
Yeah, exactly.
We've been working with the same companies for a while.
Exactly. Toby, earlier I mentioned that we'd like to bring together experts to share learnings and learnings around sample management. Would you expound on our goals for Voices of Sample Management?
Yeah, so the idea was we have a lot of knowledge within Titian, but we also have lots of partnerships with customers as well as our partner vendors. And it just seemed an opportunity to share that knowledge globally with everybody out there who may have a simple sample management problem. Maybe it's about liquid classes, maybe it's about operating their freezers at the right temperature. So yes, if you have any questions, please bring them in. But in the meantime, we'll be sharing what knowledge we think might be important to you out there.
Awesome. How did you originally come up with the idea for Voices of Sample Management?
Just actually observing the interactions of our customers at user group meetings and events like the SLAS SIGs, where you get a community together, they start talking, and it almost needs a seed, and then those conversations move forward. So hopefully we can be the seed for those conversations and start the community all talking together.
Definitely. No, I saw that at the user group meetings as well, as there's a lot of people that they love the collaboration, but once a year just doesn't quite seem enough. So this does seem like a really good opportunity for us to bring together industry experts under one roof. And see, I love working in this space because it's so dynamic and there's so much collaboration in general. It brings together industry partners and customers and diverse perspectives and expertise so that we actually make a tangible impact on scientific innovation and advancement. Is there anything that else you'd like to add?
Yeah, I mean, we'll try and give you in a video format because that's more user friendly, if you like. But we're well aware that people may be wanting to listen to this on their drive into work or something, so we'll make it available in several formats.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us. And if you have any sample management topics you'd like us to cover, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.